diretso lang to, tapos dun sa loob merong mga lalakaran, pero mga kainan, souvenir shop, yung ganun na meron dyan. May train na sirang train dito pag pinaka-Lisbon papanta. Pero ngayon hindi ko lang alam kung saan kanya, para sa may grocery. So tagal na ng panahon. Ganun pa rin. Ganun pa rin bago dito.
Red Onion Saloon. The Red Onion Saloon in Skagway, Alaska, was built in 1897 and opened in 1898 during the famous Klondike Gold Rush. It served as a saloon on the ground floor and one of Skagway's most well-known brothels upstairs, catering to thousands of gold seekers passing through town. Red Onion Saloon.
Check na natin. Maraming tao. Ano ba meron? Ito lang. Ayan yung tour train ng Skagway ito. Kaya nakalagay dati dito Skagway, kaya lang wala. Ayun pala, train, building. Ayan na Skagway. Skagway, Alaska tayo. Tapos, ito yung train na luma.